Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alya Putri Dahnianda, and today I will presentate about compounding. So we have three outline in here. The first is definition, the second is types of compounding, and the last one is an example from compounding. First, the definition of compounding. So, compounding is a word formation process based on the combination of lexical elements. The elements can be characterized as words, system, or lexeme depending on the language and on the theoretical framework adopted. And we next to the types of compounding. Compounding have three types. The first is open compound words. The second is closed compound words. The third is hyphenated compound words. This is some explanation about the open compound words. Open compound words have space in between the words which can make them hard to identify. Open compound words are mostly nouns and they're used to be same as regular nouns. If you want to make an open compound word plural, you usually pluralize only the final word in the group, not all the words. And the second is explanation about closed compound words. There are no space between the words, so closed compound words both look and act like individual words. And the closed compound word, when there are no space between the words, no closed compound words both look and act like individual words. The last one is hyphenated compound words. Last are the hyphenated compound words, which have hyphens between the words. When hyphenated compound words are nouns, it's important that you pluralize the right part. And this is some example of compound. The nouns one is clothes, basketballs, headphones, robot. The open compounds, tennis, shoe, fabric, softener. The hyphenated compounds words is Jack in the box, city, state. The verbs one is close. The close one, blackmail, blindside, overshoot. The open one is turn back, check in, mull over. And the hyphenated one is give, warp, baby, sit, cherry pick. And the adjective, and for example for adjective compound is the close one is seasick, waterproof, overpowered. And the hyphenated one is red face, white collar, sun dried. So for the example of the sentence in compound is my grandmother is coming over. The compound in the sentence is grandmother, and the types of the sentence this compound is closed because it's not space on this word. Okay, so for the conclusion is compounding is a morphological process in which two or more separate words are combined to form a new compound word. The meaning of the new word is not entirely predicable on the components that make up the word. Different lexical categories can be combined to form compound words. So okay, that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.